Now the next step, please listen. Next step. With whoever you need to withdraw the word, your sister, brother, spouse, now you are going to make a call to them. You don't need their permission, but you need to inform them. Clear? I know, very difficult now. Do the least difficult call. Just do even 2, 3. Have your lunch and come back. Then I will guide you. The least difficult. See, if you can't call, no, it is too big. My whole life will be in chaos if I call them. That kind of things don't do. Come back. I'll tell you how to complete with that. But the least thing, just a chocolate ice cream. Small things. The least difficult thing. Try to make few calls. And come back. Okay? See, what I am asking you to do now, I am actually asking you to take the baby step for completion with others. If you are bold enough and want to make call for all the people, great. I really welcome it. I encourage it. Yes. Questions? That is what. Then don't make. It's okay. The sleep, if you call and complete, it will become a big. Don't do that. So half an hour for calls, 30 minutes. No, once you make a call, whatever is the least problem, only complete with that. Understand? And come back. Then I will tell what to do, next steps.
Swamiji, is it okay to renegotiate the promise rather than cancel?
Yes, that is also okay.
Get an extension?
Yes, that is also okay. But you should be very clear when you renegotiate and repromise. Right. It has to be a clear definition. Right. Like in next 7 years I will finish.
Right.
Like that.
Or maybe I have too much and I'll do some of it, but not all.
But now, whatever you said, the whole thing has to be withdrawn.
Yes. Okay.
And the reword has to be given. Yes. Right. That's all. You understand? The whole thing has to be withdrawn and the reword. Yes. And one more thing I want all of you to know, please understand, what I am doing is not social completion. Actually, it is a spiritual completion. I am working with your walk. In the next session, you will understand, when you are in complete integrity, you will not have thoughts. When you are actually in complete integrity, complete completion, you will not have thoughts. When you want to speak, the thoughts will come. Words will come. When you don't want to speak, you will be just there. Because you know what to say, when to say, you will not be preparing what to say, when to say. Preparation for what to say, when to say itself is preparing for lies. So integrity is not a joke. I am really telling you. Do this process sincerely. I will transport you to a different space. Just do this much and come back. I don't want to tell you the whole picture. You will get frightened. Step by step. One step at a time. Yes. You talk to the person directly. That's all. But nowadays, even if the person is sitting next, we only chat through Facebook, na? That's a tradition. So, please come.
I have given a word to myself that I'm not going to call anyone for till 21st May.
Oh, I think this you can complete and then call. Because you are going to be asked to make a lot of calls in next few days. Completion calls.
Should I break?
Yes, withdraw. Say that all for spiritual purposes. If there is an instruction from Swamiji in the class, I will make call. Like that.
Okay, otherwise, just simply sit down.
Otherwise, that's all. No calls.
Okay.
Yes. Let us now. Yes. Anything related to integrity, now the completion you are going to do, please come.
Swamiji, I lied to my boss about my mother being sick to come to Inner Awakening because it was a brand new job. I knew I was.
Don't worry. For a moment, I will make your mother sick and heal it immediately next moment.
My mother is already dead and gone. But
Oh,
I
gone.
told my boss she is sick too, so I can get a
All
month off
right.
to
Do you
come
have
to
anybody,
Inner
any adopted mother?
Sorry?
Adopted mother.
I didn't.
Adopted mother. You can adopt somebody as mother.
Okay.
For a moment, I will make her sick and become all right. Make her
Okay.
all right. So your integrity is maintained. I will do this drama.
Thank you so much.
What to do? Please come.
Swamiji,
Mm-mm.
how do we deal with addictions like smoking? Say, I promised 20 times myself I'll quit, and
No,
now
that-
I cannot promise
Uh-uh.
whether I'll quit or
Uh.
I'll continue.
No, you do one thing. Now, as far as the integrity concerned,
Yeah.
you tell that I am not going to commit whether to quit or continue. You just give this as a completion. About the quitting, you don't bother. I will do what needs to be done. But in integrity, don't give any commitment.
Okay.
Leave it. Yes, just leave it, because when we are going to work next with a completion with your body, that time I will remove it. Automatically that pattern will leave. You will see. Now with the integrity thing, don't try. Yes.
Swamiji,
Yes.
You made a comment about what we remember as karmic and what we don't remember as something. But I kind of feel like sometimes I can't remember things from my childhood, just sort of like an amnesia.
But you see, if you can't remember, the impact of that has not left any karma in you. Understand? Now, when we dig out those karmas, if it comes back to memory, we will complete. If it doesn't come back, don't even bother. It means they have not left any karma on you.
That was a big revelation. Thank you.
See, because you don't remember, don't worry. What you remember, let us complete that. That's all we need to do. Yes, go ahead.
Swamiji, what about completing with people who have already left their body?
You can have their photograph and complete with them.
Okay. Another thing is, can we do things, that completion is talking to the photograph, Swamiji? Can we do the same thing with the living person also?
No. That is why I am saying, try to do with the living person directly and come back. Then I will tell you what to do. If I say yes, no one will speak to the living persons. And never you will get the courage to start the completion.
They say it's possible through vibrations and telepathically.
You are not that evolved. That is possible for me, but not for you. Understand? If I want, I can appear in somebody's dream. But can you do it? Then you can try telepathy. What all philosophy people give me, see. God, vibration, philosophy. Go ahead. People teach vibration to me. Nice. Go ahead.
Swamiji, I completed some of the points, but I declared also. Is it fine? I made the
Yes.
also.
Declaration, completion, one and the same.
No, actually, suppose I was having a habit, so I thought of just quitting it, so I said like completely.
No, if you are courageous enough to hold on, then go ahead. But if you already failed many times, why to declare then?
Because I thought like a little.
Okay, now if you can, then no problem. Don't worry. Please. Quick, ma. You guys have to go for the process. Quick.
Okay, sorry. When I start to write completion, I get literally attacked by sleep.
Oh,
And-
that will become all right in 1 or 2 days, don't worry. Once the yoga starts, it will become all right. And if you take the Haritaki powder, the sleep will reduce. Because you have to rush in the morning. How many of you are really rushing in the morning? Great! That's the best way to wake up. Come on.
Swamiji, suppose, see, you don't, it's not a lie, but you don't give all the details. Is that a lie? See, for example, this course, I didn't disclose all the details to my in-laws, like, because my daughter, she would...
You don't need to. Transparent.
So
that is
that's not a lie, right?
No, it's not a lie. Go ahead.
நித்யானந்த சாமிஜி,
சொல்லுங்க.
இப்போ நான் வந்து இப்போ யாரோட பேசாமல் இருக்கிற ரிலேட்டிவோட அவங்களோட நான் பேசணுமா இல்லை யாருக்காச்சும் நான் கமிட்மெண்ட் கொடுத்தவங்கள்ட்ட நான்
கமிட்மெண்ட் கொடுத்தவங்ககிட்ட மட்டும்தான்.
பாக்கி நான் கமிட்மெண்ட் கொடுக்கலன்னா அவங்கள்ட்ட பேசணும்.
யார்ட்டையும் பேச வேண்டியதில்லை, விடுங்க.
நித்யானந்த சாமி,
அது அடுத்து கம்ப்ளீஷன் வருது. அது இப்போ வேண்டாம், விடுங்க.
Swamiji, if we decide to always be integrated with time, and suppose we are not integrated once, so we have to withdraw the whole commitment and then create a new one?
Yes.
Or, okay. Thank you.
Yes, Swamiji. I just looked through all the list of 20 the promises that I gave, and I found out that it's very difficult for me to give promises to somebody but myself. So should I call myself in this case or what?
No, you already completed with you, that's all.
Oh, okay.
Now listen, enough. You guys finish the process and come back, then I'll answer your questions. Please get back, listen. At least half an hour make calls. Now it's 1:34. Come back for the next session. At least call 2-3. That's all I am saying. I am not asking you to complete with everyone. At least try 2-3. Come back. Because I am slowly making you do the baby steps towards completion. We'll gather for next session. Thank you. Let's gather for next session. Be blissful. Thank you for maintaining integrity after first declaration. Shall we start the session? Listen. Even in your thinking, if you give a word, please understand, every desire is a word you give it to you. Am I right? So if you give a word, you have to fulfill, honor, or you have to withdraw. Am I right? So with this clarity, can you have a loose, unconscious thinking? So can we spend few minutes bringing integrity into our thinking? Just 3 rules of the game. 1, if you make any desire, allow any desire to form itself in full words in you, it becomes a commitment. Either you have to honor them or you have to withdraw them. Am I right? So just 5 minutes, literally 5 minutes. Now it is 3:12. So 3:17 or up to, let us give 2-3 minutes extra time. 3:10. Just sit. 3:20. Okay? 3:20 again we will discuss. Till then just sit. Having integrity in your thoughts. If any desire has happened, what you have to do? You have to withdraw that word, complete it, and come back to the space of integrity. Try.